Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and wide variety of ideas of hand embroidery borderlines. Borderline embroidery is very beautiful and pretty at the same time, and in this embroidery patterns you can get all type of amazing, beautiful, stylish and trendy ideas of how you can embroider your dresses with the help of these borderline embroidery, hemline embroidery patterns. By using these very beautiful patterns of embroidery in parallel fashion, you can make a very beautiful neckline. You can also use them for front neckline designing and back neckline designing. You can embroider and decorate the four corners of your scarf, dupatta, sari to give them more creative and beautiful look. And to make these patterns and beautiful borderlines of embroidery more creative and unique, you can make use of beads and pearls, and even sequences could also be applied to give a more creative and enhanced look. All of these design patterns are creative, easy to make and user friendly, so beginners of hand embroidery could make these patterns. Guys, you can also design your baby girl dresses by using the patterns of borderline embroidery. You can also design your towels, bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, quilts covers and tablecloth as well, and many more creative stuffs of stylish DIY items. Guys, we try our best on daily basis to share amazing, stylish and trendy ideas with you to keep you updated with the fashion world relevant to handwork, hand art, thread work. So with many more creative items and ideas, I would keep on suggesting you to do try my patterns. Guys, one more important announcement that the basic intent of our designs and sharing and making videos is to share creative designs and ideas and opinions of mine with you. We never intend to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So simple and basic embroidery stitches like lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, Brazilian embroidery stitch, twisted knots, French knots, chain stitch have been used to make these patterns very creative, simple and easy to make. You can also use shaded threads, or they are termed as multicolor threads or dyed threads, which gives multicolor pattern by using only one thread at a time instead of changing the threads in your needles again and again. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas. Stay tuned for the new upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos.